Well, welcome to Gomm Stained Glass. I'm Jeannie, and I love stained glass. And you must too if you're here. So I would like to talk about faces. No, not my face, but the faces in stained glass. I would like to show you some faces that I've done. Very simple faces. They have been sandblasted and painted. So these are just some examples of different faces I've done. I've also done some more intricate and specific faces that have been done in a different way. But today we're going to learn about a face that I did for a client, and she was nervous to do it herself, and so she asked me to do it and send it to her. So here we go. So I have the face glued down to the, what's that called?
Glass.
No.
Resist.
And then now I'm just I'm just doing the shapes. So.
And then what, you're going to paint them on or something?
Yeah, I'm going to do a little bit of blasting and then I will paint. And these are such tiny pieces, I'm not sure if it's going to work. Let me work on this one here.
Now, how did this come about? Some lady bought an Etsy pattern and then asked us if we'd do the faces for her.
Mm-hmm.
And so we're going to charge her a whole lot of money because we don't like to do this.
I love to do this. What are you talking about?
Oh, it's repairs and me. All right.
So here it is. You can kind of see where I have taken out just these little spaces.
Uh-huh.
And where it's shiny, you can tell that's where the glass is. So when I blast, it'll just go in those little places.
So you ready to blast now?
Uh-huh. I have to also make a baby's face, but not ready. Okay, ready?
Yes.
Okay, here it goes.
When it's working right, it doesn't take long. Okay, so you just got the eyes?
No.
You got the mouth already too? Okay.
Everything.
All right. I'm excited.
Okay, I can't really tell. It's so light, but it's there. When I paint, it'll be able to stick better there.
Okay.
So I'm painting right inside the sandblasted areas. I can kind of see it. It's a little bit of a different shade. So I'm kind of just going inside. And if I mess up and get out of the lines, it's okay because I'll go back over it with an X-Acto knife. Kind of show you that. I think I went out of the lines a little bit right here. I can just even it up with the
Oh,
knife.
yeah, that's pretty good. What's that big piece?
With this,
Yeah.
it's just kind of on her nose. It might be too dark, huh? If you do find that it's too dark, you can always, scrape some of it away. So I'll play around with her lips a little more.
Woohoo.
But
Well, I hope you enjoyed that and learned something about making faces in stained glass. There's so many other ways to do it. There are ways that you can paint on and fire it, that you could do it in airbrushing. This is just one way, and it works, and I kind of like it because it has a simple and elegant look. So, thank you for being here with us, and we'll see you next time. When we learn something, we'll show you.
Great.